vegetables or veggies? In the garden, we grow corn and rocket. We also plant beets and radish. We don't grow wheat or mustard. What are the healthiest veggies? Spinach, carrots, peas are the healthiest veggies. Boil young leaf spinach for 2 minutes. I chopped some carrots for the salad. Our favorite meal is pea soup. What is your favorite meal? Two potatoes, 1 cup of carrots, 1/2 a cup of peas, 1 tomato, 1 cup of spinach, 1/2 a cup of broccoli, 1 onion, salt and pepper to taste. The recipe of our vegetable stew. Peel and chop the potatoes into small cubes. Boil the carrots until tender, then drain and set aside. In a large pan, heat some oil and saute the diced onion until golden brown. Add the chopped tomato and cook until soft. Next, add the peas, spinach, and broccoli to the pan and stir well. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Then cover and simmer for 10 minutes. Serve hot and enjoy your delicious vegetable stew. In the garden, we grow many different vegetables. We plant carrots, beets, and radish. We also grow spinach and peas. We don't grow wheat or corn. We love to eat rocket and mustard in salads. What's your favorite veggie? Write in the comments.